Are you a parent who wants to give the best life to your children? A parent who wants to travel all across the world to give those beautiful experiences and memories to your children to cherish for their life? A parent who wants to sponsor your child's higher education and also instill those values to give back to community? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then stick around. Hello, my name is Kiran. I'm originally from India and now I call Canada as my home. I am a happy wife, a mother of a teenage boy, an IT consultant by profession, and also a proud digital business owner. I started my digital entrepreneurship almost a year ago, and now I mentor like-minded people who have the growth mindset, who are willing to learn new skills into their life, and who are also coachable. If you are planning to join me as my mentee, you will be provided with all the tools which are required to start a digital business. You will be provided with all the back office system which works for you 24/7, your personalized website, and all the training which is required to run this business as well. And the best thing is you don't even have to have any technical skills. You do not even need to worry about having any inventory. You do not even need to worry about managing any employees. So yes, this digital business is something which could be done by busy professionals as well as busy stay-at-home parents. So it doesn't matter if how busy you are in your life, this business is something which could be done by all the people alike and which would help you to live your life on your own terms, which will help you gain that freedom, whether it is the financial freedom or freedom to spend the time as you like. All I ask you is to explore this opportunity and see if it is something which is suitable for you. The first step which you have to take now is visit my website and register your name and email address. And once you register, you will be directed for a free webinar which will give you some brief idea about this business as well as the testimonials from different people who are working in this business for several years now. And once you decide to go with this business, then don't hesitate to contact me and I will be here to help you throughout your business journey. I will be your personal mentor who will be holding your hand and guiding you through all these steps which are required to start your own digital marketing business. And trust me, this is something which will transform your life for good. Just remember, world is full of abundance and full of opportunities. What we have to do is just to take that first step. So take that first step today and reach out to me on Facebook or email me on my email address which is there in the description as well. And I promise you we will lead a fulfilling journey together. Bye for now and thanks for listening. Thank you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful day.